Hello everyone. Meet again with my channel Car, Interior and Exterior. In this video we will discuss about Car's 2023 Mercedes-AMG C63. Replacing the W205 C-Class models with the new iteration might sound like easy peas for Mercedes-Benz after decades of experience with the series. However, the company had to carefully evolve the series towards a downsized, slightly more sustainable future. One that includes just 4 cylinders and mild or PHEV hybrid assistance to keep up with the appearances. So, even though Mercedes builds the C-Class on the same MRA II modular architecture as the latest and greatest S-Class, folks must understand that no elegant V6 or V8 engine options will be available going forward. Even the mighty AMGs will have to contend with adhering to the downsized mindfulness. And we are talking not just lesser C43 or 53 versions, whether they are sedan or station wagons. Instead, even the mighty C63 will need to rely on a smaller inline-4 engine and hybrid, PHEV, assistance. Naturally, automotive pixel masters are well aware of what is going on with the AMG world as of late. And they still care enough to provide the enticing unofficial views of high-performance Mercedes sedan things to come. Case in point, the virtual artist better known as J.B. Cars on social media cooks up a rather appealing C-Class. One that has morphed from a run-of-the-mill C220D into a gasoline hero. Complete with C63 attire and AMG's ethos. Alas, everyone cannot help but feel a little sad about it, since this means we have yet another chance to say goodbye to the mighty V8s of lore. Naturally, there was at least one fellow CGI expert who could not help but imagine a V8 badge on the side. Unfortunately, we know it is merely wishful thinking.